Okay, the limit as x goes to 0. So now you're going to go to 0. So if I follow my fingers coming in from the left and the right, I notice are going opposite directions. They don't meet, so it does not exist. The limit as x approaches 2. Well, here's 2 again. Coming in from the left, I end up here, right, I'm there. Fingers don't meet, and so it doesn't exist. As x approaches 7, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here is 7. And now I come in from the left, come in from the right. That's a hole, but remember, from as far as we're concerned, they're close enough that they look like they meet. And actually, my fingers are not meeting, but it does look like that, doesn't it? So therefore, that is the limit, and the limit is -1. 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. Now, here's my problem. We don't have left and right hand limits at this point. I just said, all right, it's going to be this value. Really, you cannot come in from the right, so really it doesn't exist, technically speaking, but we're not in 1.6 yet. So if we look at it, it's 3. Oh, I need to change that number. The limit as x approaches 4. So 4. This is 4. So again, it looks like my fingers meet, and it is 0. And the limit as x approaches 5. Well, here's 5, -1. F of 0, this is the y equals what when x equals 0. Well, if you take a look at it, it does not exist. One's infinity, one's negative infinity. 2, that's this solid dot right here, and it's 2. 4, there's nothing there. 7, well, 7 has a dot right there, so that is the y value, and it's 2. And then we X these out. Now here goes the limits. Let me focus this a little bit. And that's about the best we're going to do. The limit as x approaches 9 of x. Plug it in. That says you're at 9. The limit as x approaches 2 of 5 is a constant, not going anywhere, so it's 5. Limit as x approaches 1 of this thing, well, that's 12 times 1 cubed minus or plus 1 squared minus 1, and it's just going to be 12. The limit as x approaches -5, plug it in, 3 times -5 minus 1, which is 3 times -6, or -18. X approaches 5, plug it in, 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 2 is 6 over 7. X approaches -3. This is -3 squared minus 2 times -3 all over -3, which is +9, +6 over -3, +15 over -3, which is -5.